So you want to wait before an action but restart the countdown every time it triggered. That's retriggerable delay. To get this node, just right click and type in retriggered delay and you will get it. Well, a normal delay just wait once, retriggerable delay keep resetting if it's triggered again. Perfect mechanics that should only happen once. You should stop spamming input. So we already have a logic prepared, so just remove it for now, and it actually has a duration and all that stuff. So yeah, now we have a simple loop of zero point 0.2 seconds where we print normal every 0.2 second. But there is also a retrievable delay which will wait for 1 second to say that again, but it's the loop of zero point 0.2 second, so it won't print retrievable delay for any of it because it will be keep retriggering every 0.2 seconds. So let's just see what we have made here. Let's just compile the node and see our logic in action. So now I just press play, and as you can see on the screen, we are just only printing normal, not retriggerable delay. So let's just stay in this here, and I will make this delay of 0.1 second. So it will now, every time it print normal, it will also print retriggerable delay, as you can see on the screen, as the loop is of 0.2 second and the trigger is 0.1 second. Now let's just make it the same. So it will stumble once and twice, and now it's constant, as you can see on the screen. And we can also change it to 0.3, and now you will see irregularity constantly. As you can see, it's only normal because yes, we won't even see the irregularity as it's 0.3 second and the delay is of the loop is of 0.2 seconds. So hope it makes sense and you understood what I'm talking about here. So it's generally used in typing indicators, changing abilities, cooldowns that restart on action, retrigger delay, keep things clean and responsive. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.